Hello friends, welcome to EMTECH channel. In this video we are going to discuss about top 8 tips before buying an AC. Nobody, I promise you, that never told in this YouTube channels. Let's go on. First, the type of supply use. What type of supply you are using is also an important factor, because AC normally runs in a single phase supply only, no issue with that, and AC can run in a single phase supply without any problem. But assume that if you are having a single phase supply in a house and you already have a washing machine and a fridge and appliances that consumes more power, and in addition you are adding an AC also in that place, what happens when fridge is also running, washing machine is also running, and you are switching on the AC? What happens? The voltage will drop drastically and it will affect the function of the AC or the fridge or the washing machine, and the equipment that gets low voltage will be adversely affected. And it's better to convert the house to three-phase system. You are spending around 40,000 50,000 rupees to buy an AC, and you have to spend it. If you spend another 10,000 rupees to convert your house from single phase to three phase supply, it would be better, because in that case what happens, if you are using a three phase supply, you can allocate a separate phase for AC, or separate phase for a fridge, or a separate phase for a washing machine. As per our combination, we can interchange that, and we can provide a dedicated phase to that, so that the voltage drop will not occur in that phase, right? Next point, voltage fluctuation in your area. Suppose in your area, if there is a large amount of voltage fluctuation by a large amount, you have to think twice, because if you are using the inverter ACs and if there is a huge voltage variations, it will affect the PCB board in the inverter AC. Compulsorily use a good quality stabilizer. If not, it will give you a big headache for you. Next, condition of the earth line. This is another important point. You have to check that what is the earth voltage you are getting between earth and the neutral, and how is the condition of the earth line installed in your premises. In ideal condition, the voltage between the neutral and earth should be less than 1 volt, and in some cases it can maximum go up to 5 volt, and not beyond that. Suppose in case if your earth line is not good, the earth voltage will be high, and suppose if you are any leakage current may affect the PCB boards in the AC. I am talking about PCB board because it is a very sensitive part in the AC if you compare to the compressor and other circuits. So electronic boards, you have to take most care when using that. Next, extended warranty and comprehensive AMC. Extended warranty is a warranty that gives along with the product when you are purchasing that, and along with the warranty. The default, there will be a warranty for compressors. Normally manufacturer gives 5-year compressor warranty and 1 year for PCB boards in non-inverter AC. In inverter AC. And extended warranty is the one that extends the warranty beyond that, so that even if any problem occurs after the warranty period, your packet amount will not get less. The only thing in extended warranty is that suppose if any part got failed, you have to make arrangements so that it reaches the supplier, it reaches the service provider, and also ensure that this PCB boards also cover under the extended warranty. Next, comprehensive AMC. AMC means annual maintenance contract, and it is of two types. One, comprehensive AMC, and another one is a non-comprehensive AMC. For a non-inverter AC, non-comprehensive AMC is enough, but for inverter AC, better opt for comprehensive AMC if the company is giving. First, we will see about a comprehensive AMC. The comprehensive AMC means almost all the parts that comes in the AC will be replaced by free of cost in the comprehensive AMC period. So you can buy inverter AC with the comprehensive AMC, because suppose the sensitive part PCB board fails, it is actually the manufacturer gives only 1 year warranty. So when this PCB board also covers under the comprehensive AMC, even the board fails, it can be replaced free of cost. In non-comprehensive AMC, the parts that suppose got faulty will not be replaced free of cost, and the customer has to pay for the replacement parts. Next, installation report. In the installation report, if possible, get in writing from the installation person that the voltage level in your premises, that is, what is the voltage level between the phase to neutral and phase to earth and neutral to earth. and also ensure in writing that he is writing that it is the voltage level is within the limits, and also tell him to ensure and give a written statement that air conditioner is properly earthed and keep it safe, because it acts as a document. Suppose if in any time if the PCB board got failed and the manufacturer denied replacement, saying that the voltage fluctuation or improper earth, you can show this document as an evidence, so that at least you can get some hope, so that the PCB board will be replaced free of cost. Next, authorized dealer and service center. Suppose if you decided a particular brand to buy, and once you decided, you check the authorized dealer and service center availability in your area, in your surroundings, and also check with the other persons who using that AC about their service support. Suppose if any negative comments you receive, better to opt for other brand AC. Next, location of outdoor unit to be fixed. In this case, before buying an AC, you decide the location where you are going to fix the outdoor unit. Ensure the place where it is going to be fixed is clean and unit will not be exposed to direct sunlight, rain, water, dust or rodents. Suppose in case if it is not possible to find a place that is more safe, at least provide some arrangements. These effects can be direct sunlight or rain or dust will not affect directly to the outdoor unit. Next, if the movements of the rodents will be more in that place, in the place where you are going to fix, inform the installation technician well in advance before visiting your site for fixing the AC, so that he can bring proper type of mesh and he can fix it to your outdoor unit. And remember that the damages that occurs by the rats or other living creatures will not cover under the warranty. If possible, don't fix the outdoor unit in inaccessible places, because it may be a threat for technicians coming for service and troubleshooting, and service may not be effectively carried out. Don't keep the outdoor unit too low or too high if possible. If feasible, I am telling. In case of ground floor, it can be possible that you can fix the outdoor unit in a location where you can access easily using a ladder. In apartments or in multi-story building, it is not possible. So at least in ground floor, you can take this into consideration. Next, read the warranty document of an AC completely. Whatever the parts you are going to buy, read the warranty document thoroughly, and you can see here the warranty will not be applied to the products and part which has been subject to. In this, what are the given? At least one point I can say. You can see here, due to fire, flood, damage due to fire, flood or such occurrences, water, dust, input voltage beyond specification. That's why I told you can at least try to make some arrangement so that the exposure will not be direct to the outdoor unit, so that the problems occurs due to the water, dust or input voltage beyond specifications can be avoided. Input voltage beyond specification, that's why I told better get a sign from the installation engineer that the voltage level is okay and everything is fine, so that it can be documented. Next, the product is this one brand AC. It is a sample I am showing as a warranty report, and most of the AC manufacturers will have similar kind of a warranty document. In this, you can see that it is defined to operate at supply voltage of 230 volts plus or minus 10%, so that if any failure due to operation of the machine beyond the above specified limits will not be covered under warranty. That's why I told, if you have doubt that your area will have a voltage fluctuation, better opt for non-inverter AC and to get it signed from the engineer that what is the voltage level in your premises after installation. Guys, we came to the end of the session. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, like, comment, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to press the bell button next to it, and the options in that following give options as all, and so that you will be notified with all the videos I am posting in my channel. Thank you guys. We'll meet you in next video.